Quality replacement. This heater hose connector matches the fit and function of the original equipment connector. Durable construction. This heater hose connector is made of quality materials for a precise fit and leak-free durability. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment quality at competitive price. Performance tested. This connector has been rigorously pressure tested to ensure reliable performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Made of quality materials, this HVAC heater hose connector matches the fit and function of an original equipment connector to restore leak-free performance. Top reviews from the United States. Works on Volvos with quick-release fittings. I am using Volvo heater hose fittings from a 9800 Volvo X70 5/8. These Dorman 804/16s work with them perfectly.